Hello and welcome back to the channel, and today we are in this absolutely beautiful woodland. We're here for one specific reason and one reason only, and that is to photograph the beautiful Robin Redbreast. Now I know Christmas has come and gone and they're all to do a Christmas, but I think this little bird deserves the attention of a shoot any time of the year. Now we've got about 15-20 minutes about that.
Yeah, about
that to get to where we're going to photograph this bird, so we'll just show you some of this woodland along the way. So kick back, get a cup of tea and enjoy some of the footage. So from those drone shots you can see, which is brilliant, we've actually got some snow falling, and that should make for some really nice images. That's if it settles where we're going to go. But first I think we owe a bit of apology really, don't we? It's been a couple of weeks since our last upload, but we have been busy, have we not?
yeah.
Did we try the kingfisher last week with the nighthawk hide? How did we get on?
Not great.
We didn't. But that's nature and that is wildlife for you. So please don't despair, although we did. We are still working very hard on bringing you the vlog, kingfishers from this hide. So we haven't given up on it. No way. No way. So just stay tuned to the channel, and as soon as we can get it to you, we'll let you see it. But we've got the nighthawk hide with us today, and we've also got something else to use. We've also got, as you see in Mininube's hand there, we've got a special perch we found in these very woods as we were here just a few days ago. So I'm going to try and get some images of robins on that. We have just arrived at where we're going to take the images of the robin. We're probably going to set up, as I just point the camera, just behind that little bench there, the nighthawk hide, which I did a vlog about a couple of weeks ago. I think it was the last one we did, of how easy it is to get up and get down. And this thing's only £60, so check it out. And what we're going to do is we're going to put lots of seed along there, and these stone areas along there, to attract the birds. This is something we do regularly. There's this spot and there's another spot perhaps 10 minutes just that way. It's always good if you're going to try and photograph birds, especially in the wild out here, is to come and seed it regularly so they know that there's a source of food that they can come back to. That makes things a lot easier. And the other thing which makes it easier is good light. As you see up behind us there, the sun is trying to come through. The snow is just about stopping. So as soon as that comes out, it's going to be good for us, because that extra light, if you shoot this stuff, makes all the difference. And I find normally people go, oh, quiet, but I think for me, the robin gets attracted by the noise. If you ever go in the garden, as soon as you start digging or shoveling, the robin turns up because you're turning over soil so they can get like the little insects, woodlouse, worms, etc. So we don't normally, are we? We're not very quiet. We're not very quiet at all. So sometimes it's good because it gains attraction, and then they come and then they find the seed. So give us 5 minutes, we'll get the hide set up, a cup of coffee and a few biscuits, and we'll get attracting some wildlife. So another thing, a little tip just before we put the hide over the camera, is get your camera in place in the position you're going to sit in, just to make sure that your background when you take the image is going to be properly blurred out. And already we've got action, we've got robins, blue tits, so this is gonna be really good actually, I think. And the sun's out, and as you can see, look, I've listened to some of your comments, and today I've got a lovely green coat on. Also in preparation, you see our lovely perch. Wouldn't it just be fantastic to get a robin sat right on top of there, isolated against the background? It's quite far away, should be lovely blur, but that'd be absolutely fantastic for it to sit on there. So just thought we'd show you that in position, and I think we're nearly ready to go. Right, so we have everything set up and we're ready to go. And we've seen lots of birds already today. We're expecting quite a few. Robins, long-tailed tits, blue tits, great tits and nuthatch. But like I say, we're just going to focus on the robin today. Inside the hide now, and this is our outlook, which is pretty cool. So our perch is just about there. And there's a robin straight on the top of that post. I'd love to get a shot of him on that post. Oh, he's coming down for food now, so I better stop yakking and start recording. Absolutely beautiful. We've got the robin just taking bits of seed in his favourite mealworm. It's amazing to think that this little bird is only 20 to 30 grams, which is absolutely nothing. Absolutely beautiful little thing. These little birds, which is amazing, can have up to 3 to 5 broods a year. I find that astonishing. Absolutely astonishing. So good. We've only been here, sat in for like 2 or 3 minutes, and he was here straight away. That's the lure and the power of the mealworm. So Minnie's having a bit of a struggle at the moment. We've just sorted it out. Always remember to check the top of your camera, because he was on shutter priority and he was going, everything's going nuts, everything's back to front. So finally got it sorted. But also the light is good only for short bursts, so this is going to be quite a challenge for him, and it's really good for him, as he's getting really good at this now, to actually, when the light comes, to be able to quickly take down the ISO, up the shutter speed, etc, etc. I prefer him to shoot manual, just like I learnt manual, so that you're in full control of what you're doing. So he's doing well. He's got some good images already. It's tough, isn't it, this light?
Yeah.
Real tough. Real tough. Real tough. And nice blue tit. While we're just waiting for them to come back again, I thought it'd be a brilliant opportunity just to say a huge and massive thanks to all you new subscribers who've joined the channel over the last 2-3 weeks. It's been absolutely brilliant, and we're so glad you chose to subscribe. It absolutely means the world to us. It really does, so thank you so much. And also to our existing subscribers who probably subscribe when we're doing waterfalls and landscapes. We're a bit varied on where we can go right now, but we will be back because we want to offer a massive variety on this channel. So just stay tuned, stick with us, And when lockdown is over, we'll be back, because we are missing waterfalls. We really are. But this is a new string to the bow, I think, this wildlife. And we're learning an awful lot. So again, thank you, everybody. I've got the robin on that post. Not our perch, but the post. Ah, settings. Need a bit of ice though. Stay still. Stay still. Ah, I think I got him. But no luck on the perch yet. It's just a bit of a shame. But you can't have it all. Just seen the video of the robin taking the mealworms and the seed just down there on that bit of cobblestone, so I'm going to get the image of him now. I'll try and take a couple. The trouble with the light today is in and out, in and out. Oh, there he is again, There he is. Fantastic. Different kind of poses than what you would normally see here. High ISO though, which is a bit of a shame. Really is a shame. It's gone. And with that, it's gone. Robin at the moment is having a really good feed, so I'm getting some really good footage. There we go. Fantastic. Isn't that beautiful? Such a good day. Such a good day. You might just call this a more simple robin, but it's bringing so much joy to us at the moment. It's so good. So good. It's been a nice surprise for the wife. Really well. I'll tell you really another amazing fact which I read the other day. Is that robins, when they both come together, in the wintertime, they both sing the same song. How cute is that? Beautiful. So we've swapped round now. Mininube's got the big 150 to 500. I've popped on the 70 to 200. Trouble is the light, man, has just disappeared. So we just have to see how it goes. All that might be game over. Oh, he's just caught a fantastic shot. I'll show you on the back here. Look at that, absolute beaut. And we'll put that up after this little bit now, but yeah, it's really, really good. We have had the most amazing afternoon. We've been in here for about 2 hours and we've just had birds after birds after birds. It's been absolutely brilliant. I know this is focused on the robin, but we did get one bird, 2 birds actually, because Mininube caught a long-tailed tit on our perch, so we're super happy. So at the end of this, we'll put the 2 images we've got of birds on our perch, but sadly today, no robin. Maybe next time. Hope you've enjoyed this. This has been absolutely brilliant. We've enjoyed it so much. Everybody, this is the end of the vlog. Unfortunately, although it's only 20 to 2 in the afternoon, we've lost the light, which is such a shame. But we hope you've enjoyed this little vlog about photographing robins. And if you're interested, we could come back and do the same for maybe the tit family, the great tit, long-tailed tit, but we haven't seen those today, if you're interested in that. But as always, we'd appreciate it if you would subscribe to the channel if you've enjoyed the content and the images, and also give the video a like, and also ding the bell so that any other vlogs we put out, you'll get notified. Anyway, till next time, take care of yourselves and cheers.